Professor, my name is Muhammad Azam Ali and I'm going to give a presentation on my term project topic iOS, iPhone Operating System. This is a table of content. What do you mean by operating system? iOS introduction, history, design goals, updates, managements, latest features, applications, benefits and limitations, conclusion, and references. What do we mean by operating system? Operating system basically is a software that supports both hardware and software resources, and it provides the common services to the computer programs such as scheduling a task, managing, programming, and assigning some task. So basically we have five types of operating system: Microsoft operating system, iOS, Android, Mac operating system, and Linux. So coming to the introduction, um, iOS stands for the iPhone operating system. It is a proprietary operating system for Apple mobile devices. It was created and developed by Apple Inc. exclusively for its hardware. iOS is the operating system for Apple's iPhone, iPad, and other mobile devices. Apple iOS is based on Mac OS, the operating system that runs Apple's line of Mac desktop and laptop computers. It is designed to make the networking between the Apple products simple and seamless. Into the brief history of iOS, so it was initially named as iPhone OS. So it all started in the way back in the January 2007 when the late Steve Jobs revealed the iPhone. The iPhone could hardly handle the 3G, but now it is on boom. It lacked the copy and paste features and it couldn't run the third-party apps, but it was a huge step in the right direction. Everything we know and love about the iOS today all happened within the span of few years. From FaceTime to Siri, iOS boosted from its ability to just work and to do so as efficiently as possible. With each release came updates that fine-tune the features. Design goals with iOS updates. So new updates to iOS are released to add new features and provide the most up-to-date technology to the market. It has till now bought an over 15 updates to better itself so far. So right now it's going the iOS 15.4.3. The iOS updates has reduced the jailbreaking incidents in them. Jailbreaking incidents occur when the hackers give access to the iCloud. And also the Apple work on the minor issues and debug it, and it get upgraded to the decimal point of versions. Now moving on to the management, basically there are five managements involved in this. I'll be going through one by one. The first one is the memory management. So non-ARC was first utilized in the iOS for memory management. The retaining of data is now handled by Xcode compilers, and the automatic operation of the ARC is supported by iOS devices. So the next one is the process management. So the processor management, the Apple employs a low power processor. So it is turned into a compact package by integrating it with all the other components. Apple system in package SIP, CPUs, and the system on chips SoC are used in all the company's gadgets. So now moving on to the next management is a device management. So this device configuration is done by remotely and securely. So it is for the enrollment of the users, the administrators, and it is used for the Apple Business Manager or the Apple School Manager. And the next is the file management. So file management is the creation, deletion of the files, transferring files from one file to another file, making a directory, removing files, reading files are the options that can be performed on the iOS files. The next is the security management. So this security plays an crucial role in the iOS operating system. So the most that has been the most secure operating system has been undisputed has compared to the competitors like the Microsoft's. So iOS at present is the top most secured iOS compared to others or iOS. The latest features of the iOS are the Safari, which has been upgraded because some of the applications were not running in the Safari. They have to install the Chrome to get to get run of some websites. But the Safari has improved a lot, and now it has been running all the websites. The accurate weather report, notes, and redesigned. So the image are provided with the text recognition. Whenever you put a phone and hold the image on the text, it will show the recognition and it will convert that text into image recognition. So and the security is increasing every version. Notification bar is redesigned, and it has added many modules to avoid distractions like driving mode, sleeping mode, work mode, and the connectivity for the 5G has been enhanced so that you have to be get connected anywhere, anytime. This is the user interface of the iOS. You can see it's a very simple and it's very easy to access. The primary applications of the iPhone are the phone call and iMessage, music, and the Safari. And the secondary applications are camera, photos, calendar, FaceTime, weather, Apple TV, map, etc. Also coming to the maps, the Apple Maps has improved the maps a lot. As I can say that for every street, for every stop, it has been detailedly versioned so that there shouldn't be any confusion while you are driving. And the companies which are using the iOS and which is in the line and using the applications are like Walmart, Cabin, and many more companies. So the only initially there were only 500 application on the App Store in 2008, but now it has 2.2 millions, like more than 2.2 million applications. So this line of business companies more than which uses Cisco, Enterprise Next, IBM, etc. These are the benefits and limitations. So what are the benefits? So better benefits are it's the world best user interface and the high level of security which attract all the customer, as presently it's very needed for all the consumers. Better camera experience even in the night, less heat generation because compared to the other phones, there is a many phones get the heat problems, but this iPhone doesn't create any heat problems because of the best processing management. And what are the limitations? Useful only for the Apple devices because you get some limitations for the Apple users only, and the application size is large. There is a less battery, but the Apple is working on that, and no customization is allowed. You have to be doing what the Apple is providing. Next is the future directions and the conclusion. So Apple has interest in VR world, like it has been moving to the virtual reality and the HomePod, and Apple is planning to create some electrical cars, and it's planning to the automobile industry to create the electrical car and Apple cars, and it has been, and since it in 2008 it has been fulfilling the digital cultural needs of the world. And the initial stage to the final stage, like the ongoing stage of the final is very admirable. In a very few years it has developed a lot, and the Steve Jobs, the legacy that left behind with the Steve Jobs is untouched. So Apple is going to be game changing in the future. And these are the references I have used for my term projects. This is the Wikipedia I have used, an Apple Insider, an Apple Humor, and Apple this Tarkatov Joseph is an author, Ricker Thomas an author, and iOS 14 preview, and Mayer's J, and many more I have used the references. And this is the end of my project. So this is the end of my project. I hope you understand my presentation and the topic. Give me give me my feedback on the D2L, and thank you so much, sir. Thank you.